red strawberries, red apples on the trees, red hearts and poppies. We love the color red. Orange, orange, oranges, orange juice and pumpkins, orange lamp and mandarins. We love the color orange. Yellow, yellow sunflowers, yellow sun and yellow cars, yellow birds and bananas. We love the color yellow. Green, green Christmas tree, green plants and green peas, green fields and broccoli. We love the color green. Blue, blue, blueberry pie, blue sea, blue sky, blue eyes and dragonfly. We love the color blue. Purple, purple lavender, purple crystal, purple flower, purple plums and purple house. We love the color purple. White, white mistletoe, white clouds, white snow, white doves and window. We love the color white. Gray, gray mountains, gray fish and fountains, gray stones and elephants. We love the color gray. Black, blackberries, black cats and black seeds, black night and black sheep. We love the color black. Brown, brown teddy bear, brown dog and brown chair, brown cow and brown hair. We love the color brown. Pink, pink flamingos, pink bike and pink bows, pink shoes and pink rose. We love the color pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, white, gray, black, brown and pink. We love all the colors.